What's good, guys? Today we're doing some more work on the 34. We're gonna try and get all the cooling issues resolved. While we did sort out the whole like AC clutch issue, which is most likely like 90% of the cooling issues that we were having at Archerfield, we figured we'd do some upgrades while we're here and get rid of that cheap eBay radiator. So let me show you some of the goodies we got. So we got ourselves a nice Koyo Rad, and the best thing about this is it's really nice high quality. The fins are super great, and then obviously multiple row and really high quality down in there, if you can see that. We're also going with a fresh Nismo low temp thermostat, which will help open up a lot earlier. And the main reason is this was just some cheap eBay thing that I could get the next day for $60, because we were trying to make an event a few years ago, and when we were doing a coolant flush and whatnot, we were pulling the radiator hose off and the whole plastic one just broke in our hands, so the radiator had to get replaced. So yeah, this thing doesn't fit too well either. We had to do some janky stuff to get it to fit with zip ties and things, as you can see there. And yeah, it's just ugly. So we're gonna pull that out, put a nice Koyo Rad in. The price difference is pretty steep, but the quality of these and the performance of them is so much better. So we're gonna go for that. And we've got about 3 hours before we gotta leave for the next drift event, so we gotta smash this out. Before we do that though, we are gonna go to change some tires. Our tire machine, because we no longer rent next door and we're trying to save money to move out of this location, we couldn't fit the tire machine in our unit anymore, so we actually found some space in a friend's workshop over there that we're going to go and swap out some tires for me today. I'm only going to take 2 pairs with me. I don't think I'm going to be burning all night long. Just have enough to have a bit of fun, get the hang of the 34, and hopefully all the cooling issues are resolved. Then Thursday night we can shred even more. All right, our buddy's shop, Motorcraft, he's got some cool stuff here. Apparently this thing runs. He's low on fuel, dang it. But listen to it. Oh, nearly got it.
Normally, 2 guys that goes.
Oh, no way. How long was this sitting?
1948 engine.
1948 original engine.
Yeah, there's matching numbers.
What?
Only thing it had to do was put a new coil on it.
New coil, that was it.
Coil.
And it ran.
GT40.
That is so cool. I don't think I've ever seen one of these running with its original engine.
Original engine, original big radiator. Look at that radiator car, all bright.
What? That's a good find, man. And for the price you got it for.
I picked this up 3 streets back from Southport Beachfront.
Yeah, it's so good.
In between multi-million-dollar high-rise.
Look at a load of that.
Crazy big houses.
So cool. And then in the workshop here where our tire machine is, he's got a Mark 1 Mustang in here. How sick is that? Oh man, this is such a cool little shop. Never been here before. Anyways, we're gonna swap out some tires and then we get back to it. But that is super cool. Alrighty, got that rubber mounted up. Just running secondhand tires. I got a lot to burn through actually. We've had these secondhand tires up here for me to use for a long time, so finally time to start burn through all of them before I start buying new ones. But now that I'm back, I'm gonna quickly smash out this radiator swap, get that all sorted out, and then we'll go do some running around and go to Bunnings and get some stuff. Let's go. The car is running. We got everything finished. I didn't get to film much because I'm in such a hurry to get to Archerfield on time. Driver's supposed to get there at 4 and it's currently like 5 to 4. So I've got about a 40-minute drive and we got to get gas. I've got to duck home. We got to do a lot of stuff on the way there. But everything's loaded up in the back. Everything's covered in sheets though, so I don't damage anything. And I'm also got to edit a thumbnail and queue up today's video. So we got a lot to do. It's gonna be fun, let's go. All right, I am in the passenger seat of my car and my sister's gonna drive while I edit today's thumbnail for the video so that I can get it up in time for you guys. And we're gonna go to Archerfield Driftway and she's gonna experience for the first time being in a real drift car. We're not gonna count her first time when she was in the seat with me when I had no idea what I was doing and I was just like power sliding. So technically that wasn't drifting, right?
Yeah,
oh, you don't even know. No. All right, cool. So we'll get a cool reaction out of her today as well. Let's go. We just pulled into a gas station and I could hear something going on in my engine bay. And check out this coolant leak. just piercing out there. So we're gonna have to see if we can find some hose to replace that with. It's just so weird because that hasn't been touched or anything. Just pouring out coolant. It looks like it's the line that goes to the turbo. Yeah, it is, which means I gotta take the IACV off before I can even get to it. Oh man, this sucks. I'm supposed to be driving today. It's all good. We'll figure something out and get going. I am not gonna let some stupid water leak prevent me from driving tonight. I'm already 30 minutes late. We're gonna fix this and hopefully in 30 minutes we'll be up and running again and on our way back to Archerfield. We're only like 5 minutes away from the track and this happened. So super lucky that we were pulling into a gas station to get money out for my sister to get her passenger pass. So we're gonna fix this real quick. I don't think we even need another hose. We should be able to just cut where the brake is, the hole, and then slide it forward and we'll be fine. But man, the irony, right? It's like someone's trying to stop me from going and I'm not gonna let them. All right, we finally made it. I managed to get that hose on the line, so no more coolant leaks. So we're gonna unpack everything and spend the next like 2 hours, if that, driving and having a bit of fun. Adam's driving the Hilux right now. What a champ, we'll catch up with him after. Event right now, and check out these guys. Came over to say hi. They're gonna grab a picture, but I just wanted to use this as an example. If I'm ever at an event and you're there and you want to meet me, just come up and say hi. No problem whatsoever. It's always good to see you all. I think my turbo's a bit hot. I don't know, you tell me. Is that glowing red a good thing or a bad thing? Definitely gonna take this back to the tuners tomorrow and get them to suss that out. I don't think it should be burning that much fuel through there. Jesus Christ. Far out. Alrighty, so we're wrapping up and packing up now. I'm extremely exhausted, had a lot of fun. We're still having the same like temp limit issue. Looks like it's more of a tune issue than actually like, you know, radiator and coolant and stuff like that. As you saw, my exhaust housing and exhaust manifold was glowing red. Shouldn't be like that. Something's going funky with the timing, so we need to sort that out. But anyways, let's finish packing up and we'll see what the rest of the night holds. So what do you think, Hannah?
That was really good.
It was good?
Yeah.
From the last time I took you out drifting, what's different?
You're a lot better.
Oh,
A lot. I
have excelled in life. My sister tells me I've done better. Guys, there is someone really famous here. He's like my favorite YouTuber in the world. All right, so it's actually the next day. Last night after the event and everything, I was just so wrecked. I couldn't film. All I needed to do was just go and sleep. So that's what I did. I went home and just pretty much fell on the bed and passed out right away. So just wrapping up the video, we got a great couple laps in. You know, the car was probably giving me like 6 or 5 laps on like a good run before it'd get to the temp limit, which was good. We even got some tandems in, but unfortunately we do have some kind of tune issue as to why the car's like getting so hot. As you saw, everything was glowing red on the exhaust side. So today I'm gonna actually drop it off to the tuners and whatnot and try and get that resolved. But for now, I guess that's it. Thanks heaps for watching, guys. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'm sorry that this video was like kind of probably really rushed and a little bit all over the place. But like it was the time yesterday to try and get my car to the event, and then everything that happened, like that coolant line bursting on the way there. It was just like, I wanted to get there, get tires changed, drive. So I threw the camera to my sister and got some other people to film. Yeah, that's that. So thanks heaps for watching. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll catch you on the next video, guys. Jamata ne.
Good? Okay. どうだ